Hey everyone, the XGIMI Vibe One marks an interesting shift in the company's strategy, introducing a new sub-brand that focuses less on raw specifications and more on approachability, lifestyle integration, and ease of use. With Vibe by XGIMI, the goal is clearly to attract first-time projector users who may have been put off by complicated setups, inconsistent image quality, or devices that promise far more than they deliver. From a design perspective, the Vibe One immediately feels more like a lifestyle accessory than a piece of home theater equipment. Its compact, color-blocked body and clean lines give it a modern, approachable look that fits naturally into bedrooms, dorm rooms, or casual living spaces. The integrated 160-degree stand doubles as a handle, making it easy to carry around and allowing quick adjustments for wall or ceiling projection without additional mounts or tripods. This built-in flexibility is one of the device's strongest points. Image quality is built around practicality rather than spectacle. The Vibe One uses a native 1080p Full HD resolution, which is more than sufficient for its intended screen sizes of 60 to 120 inches. In dark or dimly lit rooms, the picture appears crisp and well-defined, with a claimed contrast ratio of 1,500 to 1 that helps maintain decent separation between bright and dark areas. While it works well in controlled lighting environments such as bedrooms at night, it struggles in brighter rooms and is not well suited for outdoor use unless conditions are very dark. XGIMI has placed a strong emphasis on convenience, and it shows in the automatic image adjustments. Autofocus and auto keystone correction work quickly and reliably, ensuring that the image snaps into place with minimal user intervention. For newcomers, this kind of hands-off setup can make a significant difference, turning what is often a frustrating process into something nearly effortless. Audio performance is another area where the Vibe One exceeds expectations for its size. The dual 3-watt JBL speakers deliver clear, room-filling sound that is perfectly adequate for casual movie nights or social gatherings. Smart features are handled through Google TV, which gives the Vibe One access to a wide range of streaming apps, including licensed Netflix, without the need for external devices. Navigation is smooth, and the familiar Google TV interface lowers the learning curve for first-time users. Portability is a key selling point, especially with the optional battery support. On paper, the idea of a battery-powered lifestyle projector is appealing, but in practice, the battery life is one of the Vibe One's weakest aspects. With up to 1.2 hours of video playback, or around 4 hours of audio on a single charge, it falls short of lasting through a full-length movie. At a starting price of $269, the XGIMI Vibe One positions itself as an affordable entry into the world of smart projectors. It undercuts many established lifestyle competitors while offering a more refined experience than typical low-cost alternatives. Compared to brighter models like the XGIMI Mogo 4 or Samsung Freestyle, it clearly sacrifices brightness and endurance in favor of price and simplicity. Overall, the XGIMI Vibe One succeeds in delivering what it promises: a straightforward, enjoyable, and visually appealing projector for newcomers. It does not try to be a portable cinema powerhouse or an outdoor entertainment solution, but rather a simple way to bring big-screen fun into small, cozy spaces. For first-time projector buyers or anyone looking for a budget-friendly lifestyle device with minimal hassle, the Vibe One feels like a thoughtful and well-executed introduction to XGIMI's ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.